Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your own willow trees easily and free by just taking cuttings such as this one. So here we have by the river a weeping willow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a branch, break a piece off. There we go. And just remove some of the excess. And I'm going to take this home, and then I'm going to see if I can get it to root. Okay, so I've got the cuttings back home. I've just wrapped some damp tissue paper around them to stop them from drying out. And I've got a jar here with rainwater. So I took a couple of different cuttings from different types of willow. You can see the different colours. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off most of the green. And that will mean that the plant will have more energy to produce roots rather than leaves. And I'll just leave a bit of green on the top just so I know that the plant is still alive. And I'll pop that in the jar. So they've been sat in this jar for about 10 days now, and you can see they're still alive. That bit of green that I left at the top just indicates, you know, whether or not they've died, and they look pretty good to me. So what I've noticed is I've changed the water once just to keep everything nice and clean. It's been about 10 days and I've noticed now there's these little white lumps forming on the stems. You can see here they wasn't there when I took the cuttings. This one too, there's some little white lumps, so I'm guessing that they are the start of roots, hopefully. And I reckon in about another 5 days or so we'll have roots. So all these cuttings are doing really well. You can see there's nice green growth. That one's actually growing at the top. So is this one and the other one. Some roots are starting to form. You can see if I just take one out. This small one here. You can just see at the bottom there these two little roots. So the next update, this is a few days later, and you can see it's been raining. This jar, it's quite full, but that's okay. So let's see where we're at. You can see there's some nice little roots there on this one. And this one's also got some little roots. And this one has also got some roots. So in the next few days I think I'm going to pot these up. And you can see that those leaves are nice and green, and they're actually the cuttings are actually putting out new leaves. Okay, so a few more days have passed now, and these roots have really started to take off. So I'm just going to take them out carefully. There's one. These ones have gone really long. And the other one. You can see all three of the cuttings have been successful so far, and they've all got pretty good roots developing. So I think it's probably a good time now to pot them up. You can see the green that I left on them is actually still growing as well. So before I do that, I'll just put them back in the jar. Right then, so let's get these potted up. Okay, so it's been about another week or two since I put them in their pots, and I've kept them nice and watered, and here is the best one. You can see it's actively growing, and I'm going to take it out of the pot now so we can have a look at the root development. Okay, so here are the 3 cuttings that we took a month or so ago from some big old willow trees. So now we're going to take a look at the root development. It's still early stages, they've only been in the pots about a week or so, so the roots will keep developing. So here's the biggest one. You can see there's some roots here, and as we come around, some more roots there, and we've got plenty of roots here, one there, one there, one there, and one here. So this is starting to fill out this small pot already. In probably another week or 10 days it's probably going to need potting on again, and that is excellent news. So I'll just take a brief look at the other 2. And again you can see some roots here developing, and on the other side. So pretty much the same as the other one. And the last one, pretty much the same again. Roots going all the way around the pot. Okay, so that is a quick and easy and free way of growing your own willow trees from cuttings. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also comment, and also consider subscribing for more videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.